Morning everybody, happy Friday. It's a very random video. I don't know what to do about these bits of my hair, so I'm just going to flip them back. So I've got my coffee ready. I start work in about 20 minutes, but I thought I would jump on here because I've just bought the brand new Urban Decay Stay Naked Hydromaniac Tinted Glow Hydrator, which is like their new tinted moisturiser, and it came yesterday, so I thought I would do a review or first impressions on my channel today. What I have done is actually test the product on my skin to see if it's the right shade, and I think it is, but I did it on my hand, obviously not on my face, so we'll see. So hopefully it's the right shade. So I thought I would do that and then obviously do my makeup and show you what it looks like on. I've already prepped my skin, so I've used a serum which was the 111 Skin Rose Gold Serum, and I've put some lip oil on, and I've also put my Voltairy Superseed Facial Oil, and I did that about 30 minutes ago. Yeah, so I start work in about 20 minutes, so I just wanted to do my face before obviously I start work, and I love a tinted moisturiser. So this is what it looks like. It's actually really beautiful packaging. I love the blue that kind of molds into where the product is, and obviously that product changes colour depending on your skin shade or the shade that you need. I've actually got them up on my phone, which I will insert here. A little bit about the brand's products, a little bit about the products. So it says a longwear tinted glow foundation infused with kombucha filtrate and marula oil for up to 24-hour hydration, coverage and fresh glow. So is it a foundation? I thought it was a tinted moisturiser, so it doesn't actually... I didn't realise it was a foundation or seen as one. It says the new Hydromaniac Hydrating Tinted Glow Foundation with vegan formula that's packed with hydration for your skin, lasting up to 24 hours. 12 flexible shades designed to suit your skin tone by allowing your real skin to show through. The sheer glow finish with buildable medium coverage. Hydromaniac Tinted Glow Foundation contains kombucha filtrate and marula oil and has been formulated to give long-lasting hydration. It's meant to be really dewy, I've heard. I quite like the fact that it's got the kombucha filtrate and the marula oil. The marula oil did it for me. I don't actually know what kombucha filtrate is, but the marula oil, because I like the thought of it being dewy and glowy on your skin. So I'm just going to get started because I don't have a lot of time. So yeah, I went with the shade 50 medium in this. I went with like the middle shade just because I feel like that's probably where my skin tone is, and I'm just going to apply just like a solid pea size on the back of my hand. It looks like it could be the right shade for me. I'm not going to go in with any concealer today. I am going to zoom you in slightly so you can see my skin. I'm just going to use my Fill Techniques brush to kind of add it in. I do feel like that is the right shade. I'm hoping the lighting's okay for you because I am actually downstairs, not on my ring light. It's going on really nicely, and it is definitely the right shade for me. 50 medium is perfect for my skin tone. It's going on really nicely, I think. It's really dewy. It doesn't seem to sit on top of the skin, which is what I like. I like when they kind of absorb in and you look a bit more natural, but with like a dewy glow. It is very dewy. It's almost got like a wet look to it when you apply it, which I'm not mad about because I think when your other makeup's on top, it will really blend in nicely. It'd be really great for, I think, for summer. But it's actually really nice for now as well. I've been looking for a new like tinted moisturiser because I've run out of a lot of mine now, and I thought I'd try something new before I buy something I know that I love. That is actually really nice. It sits on so well. I just didn't want this to be a really long video, but I just wanted to show you what this looks like on. So what I'll do now is I'm just going to apply the rest of my makeup, and then I will jump back on camera, show you the final look, and then I'll enter my Instagram here because I probably will do an update on my Instagram as the day goes on, and yeah, that's the plan. So I will chat to you in a little while. Hey everyone, so I've just finished the rest of my makeup. I've literally got like 1 minute, but this is what it looks like. It's super, super dewy. Makeup sits really well on top of it, and you get this really nice sheer but dewy glow like all over the skin, and it kind of stays, which I really enjoy because I think I try to get that look anyway with highlighter, liquid highlighters. So I think it's a really beautiful, beautiful tinted foundation, although I would say it's more of a tinted moisturiser. Why it's called a foundation, I don't know. It's really beautiful on, and hopefully it's as long lasting and as long wearing as they say it is. But so far, first impressions, I would recommend it. I think it's beautiful, and I think it's the perfect shade for my skin, which is so nice that I've actually been able to figure that out. But yeah, love it. And all I've got is a bit of blusher on, and I put a bit of cream bronzer on my eyelids, and I did my brows and a bit of lipstick, and I just think that's all you need. My oven's going off for Echo's breakfast, and that's my cue. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, this really quick review. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and give this video a big thumbs up, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!